Hey y'all, welcome to Oil of the Week here on my YouTube channel. I am so happy y'all are here. I am pre-recording this because I will not be able to go on live with y'all like I would in the beginning, but yeah, I have a prior engagement, so I'm going to be dropping this video probably sometime in the afternoon. It'll go on and everything will be all laid out for you as it should. So, without further ado, I want to talk to you today. Try not to be too long, but I want to talk to you about one of my absolute favorite oils, and might as well be my favorite oil bar none. And I cannot be without this oil. This is Peppermint essential oil. And if my mom's watching this, it'll probably come as no shock to her because she knows I'm all about the peppermint. I love peppermint. I love everything about it. So I just wanted to spend a few minutes with y'all to talk to you about this lovely oil. So, and of course I need my notes, because if I don't have my notes, I will be all over the place, and then you may not get all the things I want to bring out. So, yes. Okay. So, just a few little key points for you. Peppermint essential oil. Oh, I love it so much. So, this lovely oil is actually sourced from two places. It's sourced from India, as well as right here in the U.S., specifically Oregon, where doTERRA partnered with a beautiful family of farmers, whose last name is Benel. They've been partnering with them for a long time, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful marriage of the two sources working together. So, if you want to know more about the Benel family and what they're all about, I will have linked either in either corner or in the description below the what is called their co-impact sourcing, or the source to you. It's called Behind the Bottle Peppermint, and it'll have all the things the Benel family's about, their beautiful story. I watched it a few times. I love their story. It's amazing. So I'll have that video linked below for you to enjoy. That'll be really great. You can see what doTERRA is doing with them. And also, I'll have linked below in the description, most likely, a place where you can see what I like to call the source to you impact numbers, because many lives were impacted by sourcing this beautiful oil, both in India and here in the U.S. and that lovely place where the Benel family resides in Oregon. So lives were impacted all over, and lives were touched on both sides of the bottle. So can't wait to link those numbers to you, and you can see for yourself what doTERRA has done and keeps on doing in the lives of many. It's beautiful. Without further ado, before I get into the details of this lovely oil, I'd like to reference my new favorite book, Essential Emotions. This has been quite the game changer in my essential oil study, and I'd like to read to you what peppermint can really create in your emotional wellness. So here we go. I'm just going to read a little segment. So peppermint emotionally is the oil of a buoyant heart. Oh, that makes me feel uplifted whenever I hear that. So, peppermint brings joy and buoyancy to the heart and soul. It invigorates body, mind, and spirit, and reminds individuals that life can be happy and they don't have to be controlled by fear. Whoa, isn't that strong? That's really amazing. No wonder I love peppermint so much, because I'm always feeling joyous. I'm always feeling upbeat. That's me. That's me. That's peppermint. So, pretty self-explanatory in my opinion, but maybe y'all don't know exactly. I mean, y'all seen me. I've been pretty up there. I get so excited about things. So peppermint, yeah, that's me all over. I love it. I love it in me. I love it on me. I love it as I breathe it in. Oh, beautiful. So that's just a little snippet of that. If you want a little more details about that, just shoot me an email or go to my link for my Heartfelt Oils group and get on in there and I'll show you what it's all about. So here's a little detail about the peppermint plant. The peppermint plant is actually a hybrid of watermint and spearmint. What? It's a hybrid plant. Oh. The description for this plant came from Swedish biologist Carl Linnaeus back in 1753. What does that tell us? I think this peppermint oil or peppermint plant, it's been around for a pretty long time, wouldn't you say? Mm-hmm. So this oil has a high content of menthol, which is the chemical constituent in this lovely oil. And it creates a positive and energizing atmosphere with its distinct and invigorating aroma. So, gotta love peppermint. I know I love it. So, here's my favorite part, the ways you can use this. So, yeah. Let's go. So, you can diffuse or inhale deeply from the bottle to wake you up in the morning. I've done that. So you just, when you first wake up, oh gosh, I don't want to get up today. Just take that, open the bottle. Just, ooh, I'm awake. Does it for me every time, every single time. So, also, you can also diffuse this during a workout session. Get your body moving, get your body going. So good. Or you can even diffuse this during study time. Case in point, I have a friend who had a couple of kids growing up, and she diffused peppermint and wild orange, and it helped them keep focused on their studies during their homework and got them going. Hey. Just a little tip. Okay, you can even massage this into the skin. I would highly suggest diluting this oil in a carrier oil such as fractionated coconut oil like I've got here, or you can use any other kind you like. If you don't do coconut, you can use jojoba oil, you can use olive oil if you like. If you don't really have access to those types of oils, you can use castor oil. That's a good one. I've been having some pretty good benefits here lately with castor oil. It's really amazing, and it really goes way down deep into your skin for quick absorption, and it really gets to the areas you need it in. So really good stuff. Yeah, peppermint oil is so strong. Guess what? One drop can be equivalent to 28 cups of peppermint tea. This is pretty strong stuff. You want to be careful with this. So if you have some kind of skin sensitivity, always dilute, always. And this gives you that cooling effect that you need, especially after a hard day out in the sun. Maybe you've been gardening, and you just put a little drop, put a little fractionated coconut oil, rub your hands together, and just put it in those areas you need it in. If it's your head right here, needs to cool down, just massage it all in there, back of your neck, shoulders, wherever you need it, and it cools you right down. Case in point, I've actually used this after I've ran a few, well, actually no, I walk very vigorously, and I get hot in the summer or whenever. Just a little bit of peppermint oil all the way in here. Or what I like to do is put it in a glass spray bottle with some water, make an instant cool down spray. And it even freshens your breath too, so many uses for that. Hey. So, or you can cool down after workout like I just mentioned. Take those vigorous walks or jogs. That's how you cool down. Also, it promotes clear breathing. Oh, how we need that in our lives. You can actually use this sometimes at night before you go to bed. Little peppermint with some coconut oil or whatever you want to use. Rub it over your chest. Breathe it in as you go to sleep. It's kind of like an instant vapor rub. Good stuff. Guess what? Newsflash. It's good for your hair. Whoa! Some people don't think about this, but yeah, it's really great. It actually stimulates the scalp. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but my hair has gotten longer lately. I've been using a host of oils, but peppermint oil is really great for stimulating your scalp and helping your hair grow even more. I mean, yeah, it's something as simple as, here, give you a little demonstration. Just put a little, one drop, maybe two if you like, and squirt the fractionated coconut oil in. Rub your hands together and just go through like that. Yeah, I could use a little oil in there. Kind of dry looking. And you just comb it through. Make sure you get all that oil in there. And oh man, you smell of peppermint all throughout the day. And who knows, maybe it'll wake people up wherever you're at. Hey. Oh, gosh, that smells so good to me. Whoa, guess what else? You can use it for tension headaches, like I said. Just rub it in those temples right there. Instant relief. Love it. You can use it for stomach issues. What? Yeah, peppermint's good for healthy digestion and maintaining what is called that gut flora. Excellent. Just do the same thing. A little fractionated coconut oil with one drop. Rub it over that abdominal area. Totally relieved. I've done it before. Oh, so good. I love it. So you can also use this in your recipes. It's an internal uses oil as well. So if you want to make some hot tea, I mean, you can even make your own peppermint tea. You don't even need the tea bag. Just put a little drop in that hot water. Mix a little honey in it. I would definitely put some honey in with the oil so it'll disperse throughout the hot water so it doesn't just sit on top, because oil and water doesn't mix. And you just stir it up. I've had it before with lemon as well. Oh, so good. So there's so many ways to use this oil. It's not funny. I mean, it is, but anyway, that's pretty much all I have for this beautiful oil. If you want more ideas on how to use this, I mean, you can always contact me if you'd like to know more, or you can check out my little peppermint essential oil uses guide down below as well. I have that for you. Just has a few little suggestions, or it's so versatile you can even come up with your own ways to use this oil. That's how wonderful these oils are. I can't say enough. I mean, this is just the bomb. So, yeah. What can I say? Peppermint oil is just beautiful. I love it. And I love how they take the time to give these oils to us so that we can use them for our health and well-being and live that lifestyle we've always dreamed of. That's what I love about this company. They're all about helping us get to where we want to be in our health and wellness. And they make sure we're supported every step of the way. That's why they call wellness advocates all around to help people get there. So that's what I want for you. I want you to experience this beautiful life you can grasp, you can hold on to, and you don't have to let it go, because it'll always be with you as long as you keep on using these oils in your life and in your family's lives, and trust me, you will be so much better. I know I can attest to that. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got. If y'all have any questions, y'all know where to reach me. Just comment down below, or you can email me. I have that in my little area where the about section is. You can do it that way. Or if you just want to jump on the bandwagon, you can schedule a one-on-one with me. We'll get you where you need to go. I'll have the Live Guide available for you to download as well if you want to get into that and see where you are. Can pinpoint those top 3 health concerns you're most that's most in your view, and we'll just work from there. And I'm rambling, I'm sorry, but anyway, yeah. So I pray y'all have a wonderful night. And if y'all have any more suggestions on what I can do for the next oil of the week, I would love to hear your suggestions. I'm sure I can learn from you as much as you learn from me. Maybe even more so I can learn from you. So I'm open. I'm always open to great ideas. So if there's a specific oil you want me to talk about for the oil of the week, please let me know. And please let me know before I post the next newsletter about it come Monday. Usually that's when I have it up. So I'll have that down below as well for you. So I pray y'all have a wonderful night and, well, wonderful day whenever this goes up. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye now.